Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to on reading mode in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to on your reading mode in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on reading mode in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you on your reading mode. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video friends. First of all, open your phone setting to on your reading mode. Guys, scroll and guys you can see your display settings, so guys tap here. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your reading mode, so guys tap here. And guys you can on your reading mode from here. Then guys you can see after reading mode guys you can see this skin color is indifferent. So you can see your reading mode notification, reading mode adjust colors and textures of the item on your screen, allowing your eyes to relax. So are you friends, you have understood how to on reading mode? So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. And guys, you should on it at night guys, when you use your phone at night. And guys, when you study in your phone, so you should on it. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.